Hey guys, in this session we're going to be looking at finding fraction of amounts. Now we have done something very similar back in I think it was NA31, fractions of quantities. I go a little bit more detail in that video, so have a look at that if you want to kind of understand just some of the basics behind it. But other than that, I'm just going to go straight into these questions and show you guys how to get the answer. All right, looking at question A, what we've got here is 3/5. Just remember that whenever you do OF off, it is very similar to multiplication. So we've got 3/5 of 25. Now, the best way to do this is what we're going to do is we're going to kind of move the 5 underneath the 35. All right, and the reason we do that is because, well, when you are doing multiplication, you multiply the numerators together. I'm talking about the fractions, multiplication of fractions. And you might be thinking, well, 35 is not really a fraction, but if you think about it, it is actually a fraction. It's just 35 over 1. So in the numerator, we've got 3 times 35. In the denominator, we got 5 times 1. But a shortcut way of doing it is just because we're multiplying, we can move the denominators around. So when we do this, what we happen to do is 35 divided by 5 is actually 7. So you're going to end up with 3 times 7, which equals to 21. Now, for any reason you have a calculator and you got one of these graphics calculators, then what you can do is you could actually do 3/5 of 35 in the calculator. And the way we do it is we click on 3, ABC, which is the fraction button. So that is 3/5 right there. And we're going to multiply it with 35. And there we go, 21. All right, let's have a look at question B. So what we've got here is 4/7 of 49. And I'm going to move the 7 underneath the 49. Which means now I know that 49 divided by 7 is actually equal to 7. So I've got 4 times 7, which equals to 28. All right, and final question, 3/4 of 32. And I know you're probably going, well, this is just the same of it. But maybe this one have a go by yourself, just to see what answer you get. Or maybe pause the video here and try the question out by yourself. And then unpause so to see whether you get the same answer as me. So 3/4 of 32, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this as 3 over 4 times 32. And I'm going to move the 4 underneath the 32, which then gives me 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. So what I've got is 3 times 8. And of course, 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So as I said, guys, I have done a little bit longer video of this back in the playlist number level 3, and it's called fractions of quantities. So just have a look at it. There's a little bit more explanation of why those movements actually happen. But apart from that, that is just a quick little reminder for you guys, and that is it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching.